Grayson? Grayson?
Okay, so I'm with my friend Brooke on
Hi.
Animal Company. We're going to be showing her around. So follow me, Brooke. You need to claim your company coins of the day. Let me place you
Bro,
guys right there.
I remember getting Brody like 7,000 coins.
And you
Loki.
need to flush the toilet. You need to flush
Move.
the toilet. Bro, I'm trying
Move.
to. My hand got stuck. Okay.
I'm in the toilet.
Yeah, I know. You gotta grab that thing and pull it down. Now you got company coins. Okay, so let's show you around. Okay, don't flush it anymore. Because if you flush it too much, something's gonna pop out. Let me show you around, okay? Come here.
Okay.
Okay, so over here we have the cell machine.
Okay.
Here,
Done,
sell
bro.
me,
I'm
sell
going
me,
out of
sell
my
me.
way. Hold on,
What?
hold on. I'm moving my phone. Give me a second.
Oh, you're moving your phone?
Yeah, out of
I'm
my
recording
thing.
a video on my phone.
Oh!
You're going to be famous. You can't grab it anymore. I just enabled it.
Make it friends only. So
You
people
can't
don't.
make it friends only.
That's different.
You can just
Yo,
make it so people can pick it up.
oh, where you at?
I'm
Oh,
over here. Hold on, I want you to sell me. Click those red buttons once I'm inside, okay? I
okay.
want you to sell me. Click the red buttons now.
Hold on, bro.
No, I'm not in there.
Bro, Grayson, lock in. Get in, get in.
Okay, now press them. Bye. Did you click them?
I'm trying, bro. Grayson, you good? Yo, bro, I think he's hurt.
I'm in the void.
Bro, where'd you go?
I'm in the void.
Bro!
Psych.
Oh.
Whenever you sell someone, they just don't disappear. Okay.
Wait, can I do
So
it?
where do you want to? Yeah.
Oh.
Are you serious right now? This is what you have to do. They just go. You just leap up there, dude. Like go push on
Bro.
your, like bro, take the controller and push, like slam it. Bro. There.
Hold on.
Okay, let me place the camera so you can get sold.
Hold on, I can't
Okay,
get out.
after this, do you want to do a fashion show? Like a not a fashion show, like
Yeah.
where I take your picture? Okay,
Yeah.
go in there, bro. Do this. Lift your hand up and then. Yes, now go in. Go in.
I'm trying.
Bro, go over here. Bro, go over here. Put your hand up. Go up here, and then just climb in. Don't go so fast. Don't go fast. Just go slow and be. Bro, put your head down to go in. Like, bro, go. Bro, drop the snowball. Drop the snowball, because that's probably your most problem. Okay, no, come over here. Leap. No, over here, bro. Stop pressing the buttons.
No.
Stop pressing the buttons.
Okay.
Okay, bro. Bro, don't leap. Put your hand up and then climb up. Like, just go, bro, go slow. Go slow when you climb. And then just gently go in.
Yeah.
Okay. Now gently go in. Bro, get your hand out, bro. Bro, do this. Bro, do this. Yes, now go in.
Am I in?
Oh my god! You're so bad at this game!
I'm trying my best.
Do this, do this. Just climb up here. Climb up on this part. Where did you go? Brock, don't push anymore! Just lift your hand up and then just climb up and then for this part you Oh my god, you're so bad at this game.
Alright. Bro,
Brooke, you don't need to push anymore. You don't need to leave. Now gently go in. Don't go super fast. Don't go fast. Don't go fast. Now you're in now. Okay? I'm gonna place the camera in here. And we're gonna watch you get sold. Go! Did you get sold? You wanna know what I did? When you sold me, I did this. I went up. And then I just went up here.
I don't know how to do that.
Bro, you put one hand on the
Oh, I almost fell. For real.
Okay.
I almost fell. Low key.
Okay, follow me.
Okay.
We're gonna show you around. Okay. So come on. Over
Yo,
here.
I'm hitting windows. Hold on, Grayson.
You're
Hold
hitting windows.
Yeah. Is that normal?
No, that's not normal. Okay, over here we have goop savings. Like, you place an invention in here. So, like, pretend that this was an invention. I would
My
go
invention?
and scan it. No. Like, you actually have to build something with goop. And then come over here. This is caves. Get over here, bro.
Huh? Oh.
Bro, you need to get over. Brooke, just walk. Brooke, just walk with your hands. Like, just move your hands. You don't need to leap. You don't need to go, ugh. Like, bro, grab a snowball to go faster. Brooke, stop leaping. Brooke, do this. Like, just walk like that, see? Like, just move one hand and then the other hand. Move one hand and then the other hand. Yes, like that.
Yo, I'm about to fall. Hold on. Bro,
Okay,
let's see
over
how far I
here.
can throw. 4?
Ready? This is how far I can throw mine. Everyone's gonna see.
Nah, bro, you're cheating. Guys,
Wow.
COD 4K, Grayson cheating.
Bro, I'm not. I just take a big leap and then.
Okay. Did I do it?
Nope, your snowball landed right there. Gotta go. She was a fairy. All you're going to see is snow now.
Okay, what's
And
next?
Okay, over here we have caves. This is where we mine and stuff.
I don't want to go in there.
You don't want to go? Okay, let's
No.
go over here then. Okay, so over here we have office. You don't need to leap. Remember what I showed you. One hand. Yes. Brooke, stop leaping. Okay, over here we have office. This is office. You go in there and then don't go in there, Brooke. Brooke, don't go in there. Come on,
Grayson?
dude.
Grayson,
What?
I'm scared. I don't like
Bro.
that there. Why did it turn out like...
I'm out the freaking map.
I can't get up.
Okay, Brooke. Come here, Brooke, come in here. Follow me, Brooke. Brooke, follow me. We're gonna go in here.
I'm scared.
There's no bad monsters in here.
Why are you saying not go in there?
Just come on.
Fuck a skibbity toilets. Fuck a skibbity toilet. I was like, yo.
Do you want to get rid of your radiation? Cause if you look on your watch, you have radiation. Okay, Brooke, just come here. Brooke, stop it. You're gonna die by doing that. Now come on, follow me. Follow me over here. Brooke,
I'm scratching myself. Oh, that was the best scratch of my life.
okay, over here you can buy coins and stuff.
Oh my god, I'm
two-
climbing. I was literally climbing, bro.
Brooke, we're giving you a tour.
For real, I was climbing. For real.
Okay, come on, just come here. Come on.
I can't pick up snow. I can't pick up snow. I think I'm cursed.
It doesn't matter. Look, I can't pick up snow either, see?
Okay, what's next?
Okay, over here. Here, grab a headset. Grab a headset. And then, like, put your head in it. Brooke, do this. Lift your hand all the way up. Like,
I farted.
put one hand on the ground. And then put one hand up there. And then that's how you grab it. Brooke! I'm telling you, do this. Put one hand on the ground.
I
grab
can't
it.
see.
Why can't you see?
Cause you.
Brooke, look. You
do
put your hand on the ground. One hand on the ground, you stupid.
Ow! Dude,
Okay,
please.
you put one
You know
hand
what,
up.
You know what? If I'm stupid, you're an idiot. What about that? Ah! This is not fair, guys. He's using cheat hacks.
I'm not.
You could see he's using cheats.
I'm
Cheat!
not.
Aimbot.
Brooke, grab the headset. Now put your head in it. Like, you know how you put a regular VR on. Like, see? Look. Brooke, do this.
This is cooler. Yo, okay. Put off.
Brooke, I'm here. Brooke, I'm here.
How do I put the thing off? I don't want it.
How do you put?
I don't-
Oh, you don't want the VR on? Follow me. I'm gonna
This
show
is
you.
lame.
No,
This
this
reminds
is
me of
V-
Forsaken.
This is
You don't
VR
like
rounds. This is VR rounds. Let's give you a look.
Oh my god, I was climbing. Great.
This is where you can achieve stuff. You can.
Can I
like,
get off this
buy-
headset thing?
Yes, come on, come here. Brooke, follow me. Turn around.
Okay.
We need to go back over here.
Leap.
You don't need to leap for everything, dog. I can't drop my camera. Here, follow me.
Bro, your camera though. It's cooked.
I have my camera.
It says it's right there.
Where is it?
Right there.
Right here?
Yeah.
Okay, just come on. Brooke, get up here, dude. Use these stairs, yeah. Now follow me. Go on this one. This is where you reach the low gravity zone.
Grayson! Bro, I bought the...
Brooke, do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Brooke, don't leap. Stop leaping. Just walk.
going in. Grayson?
Brooke, I'm coming.
Hold on, I got it. I got it.
Can I have it back now? I missed you, son. Missed you.
Where's my
Yeah.
thank you, man? Like,
Thank you. Okay, stop on the orange one. Go, go. Okay, well, okay, we're just gonna turn off that. Okay, well. So, basically, we're just going to wait for her to come back. And, yeah, that's really good. And then we're gonna show you guys around more. Well, basically show her because she doesn't know. I'll be right back. Let's go. Brooke,
yeah.
come on.
Grayson, I keep falling.
Brooke, do this. Stop leaping. Stop leaping.
I'm not leaping. I'm using my one hand like this.
Brooke, use two hands. Use two hands. Because clearly you need to use two hands. Now see how stop leaping. Just put your hand up. Start. Brooke, no. Put one hand down on the ground. There. Do this, Brooke. Brooke. Now, yeah, you got it. Okay, don't over jump. Just go soft and gentle. Just go. If you mess up one more time, I'm gonna leave you.
Bro! I'm sorry.
If you fall one more time, I'm going to leave you. Lock in, Brooke. Lock in.
I'm
I'm
locking
leaving
in.
you. Bye.
No, bro.
Lol.
You
I'm back.
betrayed me.
I'm back, bro. Did you make it? I think she made it.
What you get, bro? Like, I did it myself.
Okay, let's go. We're gonna show her mountains. Okay, follow me. Take two snowballs, and then just like do the one walk. Do the like double walk. You know, I showed you like one hand. Brooke, stop leaping and grab two snowballs, and then do the do one hand and one hand. Grab a snowball.
Hold on.
Where's
I'm
my
itching
camera?
ear.
Bro, I have my camera in my hand. Here, now let me make it friends allowed so then you can grab it. Because my game is so laggy. Okay, grab it. Okay, can I have my camera back? Can I have my camera?
Hold on. Take a picture of myself. Okay, there you go.
Can I have my camera?
Yes, of course.
Thank you. Okay, let's go. Brooke, follow me. My headset is low. Brooke, stop it! My headset is low now. Come on.
No. Who did
Follow
photos?
me. Look. Follow me.
Oh, I want to get on one. I want to get on one. I want to get on one. I want to get on one.
Oh, those don't work. Just grab this. Grab this. Okay, grab it.
Heck.
Okay, now come here.
What the hell?
Take one of these.
I don't want. How do I get one? Oh, thanks.
Just grab one. Here. I like the purple one because it's cool. Okay, now you're gonna grab it. Now follow me, follow me, follow me. Lift your board up, lift your board up. Just a little bit. Okay, Brooke, use your hand, use your hand. Yeah, put it on your back if you want. You have to like drop it if you want to put it on your back.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, now follow me. Okay, this part you do not want to mess up on. You're gonna put your snowboard down and then shoot.
Oh my god! Oh, I'm okay. I'm not okay. I'm not okay.
Oh snap.
Oh hell no! Fuck no.
Well, at least she's going fast.
Grayson? Grayson? Grayson!
Yeah?
What's up, bro? Can we do that again?
Yeah, bro, follow me.
How do I put it in my back? Still on my back?
You have it on your back, yeah. Follow me. Here, I'll go slow, okay? Okay, let's go. Go to that zip line, go to the zip line over here, come on. Brooke, over here, Brooke, over here. Brooke,
Yeah?
get over here.
Oh! Leap, 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 leap. I can't leap. Leap, leap, leap.
You don't need to, every time you leap, you don't need to say leap. Now grab it.
Leap, leap. Okay. Can we do it at the same time?
Yeah, bro.
Okay.
Okay.
Baka, ready?
Brooke, get back up here, Brooke, get back over here.
Get back! I can't, Grayson! I can't, Grayson, bro!
Okay,
bro.
just come on. I'm coming.
Grayson!
I'm coming.
Ah! Ah! Bro, Mom said you're not even playing on it. Well,
Brooke,
Grayson,
get back to the zip line.
Grayson, I can't play. Brody, I'm on Grayson. Hold on, bro. Grayson, I gotta go. Brody's telling me I have to go. I guess.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Well, that looks like a wrap for today's video. Hopefully you had fun in today's video. Like, subscribe, and comment your username. I will add you and we can play. Bye.